we'll guide you through how to use Claude by Anthropic to enhance your productivity and streamline your tasks. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Claude by Anthropic website on your desktop. Once you're there, you'll need to sign up or log in if you already have an account. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Here, you can start by creating a new project. Click on the New Project button. You'll be prompted to name your project and provide a brief description. This helps keep your work organized. Once your project is set up, you can add collaborators by clicking on the Invite button. Enter their email addresses and assign roles if necessary. This is great for teamwork and ensuring everyone has the right permissions. Next, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the input options. Claude allows you to input data either through text or by uploading files. For text input, simply type your queries or tasks into the input box. For file uploads, click the Upload button and select your files. Claude will process this information to generate responses or insights. You can refine your queries by using the options on the sidebar to set parameters or focus on specific topics. This customization helps to get more accurate results for your needs. Once you're satisfied with the output, you can download the results or share them with your team directly from the platform. Remember to save your work frequently by clicking the Save button. This ensures you don't lose any important data. Don't forget to explore the Help section if you encounter any issues, as it provides valuable resources and troubleshooting tips. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.